making a video, sorry. Bill, buy condoms. No, we're just joking around. Mr. Pumpkin Man, are you okay?
I'm super. Would you like a beverage?
No, thank you. Da, 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 da.
I'd like to purchase this beverage, please. I've got debit. Debit.
At least $5.
At least $5. Can I have some condoms, please?
Back here.
You got my back, Mikey.
Yeah. So we're making a video for school right now. Cause we're in media art class, so we're making a video for school. We're still getting an A. Huh? No. Oh, lucky, yeah. I told you I was not gonna smoke. I'm a good kid. I swear to God. So, I'm waiting till Sunday, okay? Nothing. We're just chilling. That's right.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
Don't apologize. I can buy whatever the hell I want.